You're not getting my point.
Dad, wait. You don't understand it yet.
What do you mean I don't understand anything that you're saying?
What do you mean it's nonsense? That it's my story.
Ingat lang ako, nagbuboksing na naman sila.
You're trying to tell me.
It does not make sense to me.
Diyos
I really
ko,
don't understand.
tama na!
Ay, kausapin mo nga tong anak mo.
Bakit? Meron na naman ba carpet na lilinisin?
Dad, it's just fiction.
I don't care if you're writing fiction. Pero illogical yung bida mo.
How so?
Your main character is a businessman. Tapos isusuko niya yung kumpanya niya na ganun-ganun na lang?
Because he's in love, Dad.
Eh, ano nga yun? Na-in love din naman ako. But I won't make a decision that big without even considering the financial projections first, the market trends, the competition, and
Dad.
everything that has to do
Dad.
with running the business.
Dad,
What?
let me remind you. People read my books to fall in love. It's not a self-help book or business 101.
Oo nga pala. I'm sorry. Nadadala na kasi ako dyan sa storya mo eh. What happens next?
Let me tell you what happens next.
Okay.
When he meets the girl, that's when he starts to think about the company.
Sure ka? Sure na sure ako. Oh my God. Bawi. O basta update mo ako ha kung may ba.
Sige, sa'yo.
Ay, naku, ikaw talaga.
Kimari, bakit kayo nagtatawa ni Sir Walter?
Wait, am I under interrogation?
Bakit kayo nagtatawanan? Ako ba'y pinag-usapan nyo? Ako?
Di ka lang poser, no? May main character syndrome ka rin pala. Conceited much?
Seryoso kasi ako. Alam mo namang career ko yung nakataya dito. Saka sa oras na laglag mo ko, at sa oras na ikanta mo ko,
Kanta! Ako na! Mia, 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 mia. Di ba? Dibang-diba?
galing. Okay naman po, pero I was just asking Kimari, baka gusto nyo magkantahan dito sa team building. Ma'am. Ma'am.
Ito naman, makamam ka naman.
Ano ko, principal?
Sorry po, ma'am. Ay, sige po, Miss Sarah. Alis muna ako.
Pep. Buka nga dito.
Break ko po.
Buka. Alam mo ikaw, kabago-bago mo dito, ex-senadora ka na. FYI ha, by seniority ang paglalandi dito.
Tuloy na po pala yung team building this weekend, boss.
Kailangan ba ako doon?
Hindi naman po. This is actually for the team. Excited nga po si Sir Walt eh. Nag-assign na rin kami ng mga magdadala ng snacks. Last time po kasi nung last na team building, kanya-kanya po kami ng dala. Ayun, 4 na klase ng fried chicken yung inulam namin the entire weekend.
I need a drink.
She dragged me to an abandoned house. Her gentle face,
turned into an angry one.
You busy?
No, Ma. Come in.
Pinapanood ko kayo ng daddy mo kanina. You were so happy. So, napagkasunduan nyo na ba kung anong gagawin nyo?
I can see Dad was trying his best to connect with me kanina. Thanks to you.
Anytime, anak. Kaya lang, paano naman ako? Ako ba wala na akong role sa libro mo? Paano na to? Ay, Cyrus, why do you still have this? Nagtago ka pa ng copy?
Sometimes, I just want to remember what I did. What happened to me.
This is not good for you. Kung ano man ang naging kasalanan mo sa daddy mo, kay Brandon, napagbayaran mo na yon. At sobra-sobra pa. You need to leave it at that, okay? Just leave it.
Okay.
Tama na. Okay?
Okay. No one can know.
Is there a reason kung bakit mo tinitignan yung lumamang resume?
Hindi lang naman po to sa akin, boss. Tinitignan ko rin po yung ibang mga applicants. Ang gagaling po nila.
And you were wondering kung bakit ikaw ang na-hire?
Actually, matagal ko na po talagang iniisip. Sinuwerte lang po ba talaga ako kaya ako nakapasok dito? Or baka may ibang dahilan?
It's simple. Una pa lang kitang nakita. I knew from the start that you were the one. You were the one the least qualified. So I figured you would be the most determined one to prove yourself to me. And as always, tama ako. I hope that satisfies your curiosity. And anyway, back to work.
Ninja Boy!
What's a ninja boy?
Hindi mo na maalala?
Ang alin?
Nung mawala ako,
Mawala.
nakidnap ako noon. May tumulong sa akin. Batang lalaki. Kasama din siya nung nakidnap ako. Pero imbes na umiyak at matakot, mas inalagaan niya pa ako. Ever since, hinahanap-hanap ko na siya.
I'm sorry this happened to you. But what for?
Gusto ko lang sana mag-thank you. Dahil sa kanya, nakauwi ako sa pamilya ko.
Why look for someone who belongs in the past?
Gusto ko lang malaman niya ang epekto niya sa buhay ko. Na hanggang ngayon, kapag naalala ko siya, I feel safe. I feel protected. Na parang bang hindi ako nag-iisa.
And you thought I was this ninja boy person? Is that the reason why you're acting different towards me?
Mali po ba ako?
I'm not him. You should answer that. It might be important, it might be about IDX.
Hello? Anong balita?
Kim, good news. Nakausap ko yung dating teacher ng Castillo Brothers and confirmed si Cyrus ang nakidnap noon, hindi si Brandon. I have proof.
Mamaya na lang tayo mag-usap. Nasa trabaho pa kasi ako, ha? Sige.
Sino yung tumawag?
Wala po.
Nascan na lahat yan. Sa Kim, if I seemed insensitive, I'm sorry.
Hindi. Ako nga po dapat mag-sorry sa inyo, boss eh. Akala ko po kasi kayo po yung taong hinahanap ko.
Did you ever think that maybe kaya you couldn't find this ninja boy? It's because maybe it would be better if you would focus the present. Make new memories with someone new. I think we should call it a day. Kaya ko nang tapusin lahat yan. Konti na lang naman.
Sige po. Sorry po ulit. Una na po ako.
Baka mahigop ka ng monitor niya na.
Para sa akin ba to? Salamat ah. Kaka-stress si sir eh.
Ano ba yan?
Paano ba kasi to? Pinapakumpile ni Sir Philip para daw sa park group.
Ganito kasi yan. I-compress mo kasi yung files para magkasya lahat.
Wait lang ha.
Diba rin? Papasa loob tapos mangiiwan.
Hello, Nay? Naayos ko na po yung gamot nyo ha. Magkaiba po yung sa AM at sa PM. Tapos yung reseta po na kay ate na rin. Pakigising po siya in 20 minutes kasi night shift po siya ngayon eh. Ano po? Nakalimutan niyo po yung YSP password? Sige, Nay. I-message ko na lang po sa inyo, ha? Bye-bye po.
Organize ka din naman pala eh.
Ba't nakikinig ka? Kailangan eh. Baka umiyak na lang yung nanay ko pag di ako nag-step up.
Naks, ulirang anak.
At least, di ba? Kahit sablay-sablay ako dito, sa bahay naman, Secretary of the Year ako.
Sige na, tulungan na kita para matapos ka na agad dyan.
Dali, turuan mo nga ako.
Ganito kasi yan. Control A. Tapos gawa ka ng bagong folder. O, paste mo dyan.
Sama.
Sige lang.
So, yung nagsulat ng essay na yan, si Cyrus mismo. He goes into detail about how he got kidnapped. This is pretty big.
Basta na lang binigay sa'yo to?
Si Ma'am may pagka-hoarder eh. Apparently, matagal na niyang alam na sisikat yung magkapatid.
Is there any chance na maging mali to?
This is practically a confession. Mystery solved. Ano pa ba hinahanap mo? I gotta go.
Wish salamat sa pagsama sa akin, ha? Uy, ngayon ka pa. Ay, sige, ito. Okay niyan. Di ba masarap na ito patatas?
Siya yung malaki yung sa atin.
Ito na. Pogs ka ba? Talaga? Sige po, ano?
Sir, kung gusto niyo po mauna na, okay lang po.
Pinapauwi mo na ako?
No, sir, I mean, di niyo po kailangan magstay.
I'm good. Part of my job is to get to know the people behind our company's success.
Sure po kayo?
I'm glad to be here.
Sige po, sir.
Yay! Manager, pwede po ba ako mag-take out mamaya? O, take ko pasta na lang.
You're new to the team, right?
Opo. Kimberly Liwanag. Part-timer.
It's nice to meet you, Miss Kimberly Liwanag. Ako ba? Kilala mo?
Oo naman po. Kayo po si BMC. Kayo po yung bagong vice chairman. And anak po kayo ni Chairman Robert Castillo. Mali po ba ako? Kayo po yun, di ba?
No. You're right.
Kain po. Sausage.
Just continue what you're doing.
Cheers tayo. Dali. Cheers!
I want her on my team.
Based on her credentials, sir,
She's not qualified to be a management trainee.
Then get her as my secretary.
Noted po. We'll consider her. Since may mga naka-line up na pong candidates for that position, lahat highly skilled.
This is not up for a debate. I made my choice. Make it happen.
Hello. Congratulations, Vice Chairman. And congratulations to me in my new office. Iwanan mo na naman siguro itong mga shelves, books, tsaka yung mga lamps, no? Okay? Okay, I'll take that as a yes. So, first order of business, hire a beautiful secretary.
Come on, Philip. I'm not a creep. Just gonna be efficient. What? She is.
Okay. I believe you.
Vice Chairman, maraming salamat po talaga sa opportunity na makapagtrabaho po sa inyo. Promise, hindi po kayo mapapahiya at hindi niyo po ito pagsisisihan. Hindi po kayo magsasayang na oras sa akin.
Calm down. You already got the job.
Naku, thank you po talaga. Sobrang excited lang po talaga ako na ma-mentor ninyo. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
See you on Monday.
Kabe po. Excuse me.
I really didn't expect to get a call from you after what happened at Casa San Diego. I'm so sorry for what happened.
Ikaw ba nagsulat nito?
Saan mo nakuha to? Hindi mo dapat pinasa to. No one can know.
So, ikaw nga?
Ano?
Ikaw si Ninja Boy? Finally nahanap din kita. Tama po pala kayo.
Tama saan?
Na hindi po si boss yung kasama ko nung bata ko. Si Sir Cyrus po. If may kailangan po kayo mamayang lunch, wala po pala ako sa office.
What?
May lunch meeting lang po ako.
With who?
With Sir Cyrus.
What?
Bro, come on, tell me what's wrong. Palin yung mga mata mo para kang may kakainin ng buhay eh. Saglit na to, bro.
Doing?
Masakit kasi katotohanan, bro.